Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over a little bit Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek. Today we're going to be covering a little bit when it comes to working with SSDs, showing the process to test them, whether you decide to go with a SATA, whether you decide to go with a SATA setup, or an NVMe, to hopefully help you show how you can determine whether or not there's an issue with the SSD, whether it's malfunctioning, just running slow, or broken, etc. So let's get into the video. Let's make a video about testing solid-state drives. First, we have a stick-style NVMe SSD. Just line it up and plug it into an exterior SSD case. Plug the USB cable into your computer. Open this PC. Right-click. Go to Properties, Manage Storage, Disk Management. You'll see an unallocated drive here. That's the SSD we just connected. If there's no drive showing up here, that could mean the SSD is damaged. But first, check if the external enclosure or data cable is the issue. If it shows up correctly, find the corresponding drive, right-click and select New Simple Volume. Click Next until the allocation is complete. Now you'll see an additional drive in this PC. But this doesn't necessarily mean the drive is good. Let's test its performance. Let's download a testing software from this website, SSD Benchmark. Once downloaded, click to run the program. Click on the drive we need to test. Click Start. Now, we'll check for issues by looking at the transfer speed. The drive I'm testing is set to the general 3.0 performance protocol, but in reality, its read/write speed is under 100 megabits, when it should be around 1 gigabyte per second. So, we can conclude that the drive is either malfunctioning or damaged. Of course, transfer speeds can be affected by factors like the device interface, file size, partition format, operating system, and transfer method. Now let's test another SSD with a SATA interface protocol. We'll use another drive enclosure to connect to the computer. It's the same method to create a disk for the new drive. Next, we use the software to test the performance of the new drive. Here the read speed is 2,503 megabits per second, and the write speed is around 1,167 megabits. The performance is fine, meaning the drive is good. I hope this testing method helps you. Thanks for watching. Alright, so hopefully you've gained a little bit of insight into how to test the SSDs. And hopefully this helps you troubleshoot something that you might run into in the future. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.